Imagine this. You run a popular home and appliances store called HomeEase. An old and loyal customer sends a message. Hey, I need to reschedule my fridge delivery. If you have worked with normal chatbot, you'd know how this works. It will ask you to press 1 for delivery, 2 for installation, or 3 to go back. If you choose 1, it asks you for your order number. You enter it and then it says, sorry, I did not get it. Please try again later. Sounds familiar? It's frustrating, I know. And in the end, you'll still call the customer support to speak to an agent. And that's where Agentforce changes the game. Your Agentforce agent gets the same request from the customer. I need to reschedule my fridge delivery. But instead of following a rigid script, it would think. It instantly checks Salesforce for the order details. It looks up for available delivery slots. It finds the one that fits your schedule. It updates the records in real time. And it sends you a message. Your fridge will now arrive on Saturday at 2 p.m. Do you want me to schedule the installation too? All of that happens in seconds. No menus, no if-else rules, no frustration. And that, my friend, is the power of Agentforce, where the agents don't just talk, they execute the steps. They understand, they reason, and they take action. And in this video, we will unlock the power of Agentforce. This is just the first video of the video series that I am creating on Agentforce. Before we deep dive into Agentforce, let's spend a moment to understand what is Salesforce and why does it matter here. Think of Salesforce as your company's control center. It's a cloud platform where businesses manage everything about their customers, their details, purchases, service requests, and more. As you run HomeEase, every time a customer buys something, schedules a delivery, or asks a question to the service center, all of that lives in Salesforce. So when a customer says, I need to reschedule my fridge delivery, Salesforce already knows who is the customer, what have they ordered, what's being delivered, and whether the installation is booked or not. Basically, Salesforce is like your company's super organized brain. And Agentforce, that's like giving that brain a super smart assistant that doesn't just store information, but uses that information to get things done. Now let's understand what are the different parts of Agentforce. Agentforce has 5 building blocks. Number 1, role, which defines the role for the agent. Think of it like giving your agent a job title. Is it like a customer support fixing problems? Or a sales buddy helping close deals faster? Or maybe a personal assistant who's managing the schedule? As an example, let's say you create an agent called Delivery Dave, and his role may be to help customers schedule, track, and reschedule their deliveries. Second is data. It defines what the agent knows. An agent is only as smart as the data you give it. Agentforce directly connects to your Salesforce data, which could be things like customer details, purchase history, and not just that, it could also be email conversations, call transcripts. So when a customer asks, when will my fridge be delivered? Without the data, the agent shrugs. But with Agentforce, that agent will look into the order details and will reply the correct delivery date. And if you train it well, and if you give the right instructions, it will also offer you to change the date if required. Third is action. It defines what the agent does. This is where things get really exciting. Agents don't just talk, they do real stuff. They can update records, they can send emails, they can start a process, or they can connect with different systems. Example, if the customer says, I want to change my installation date, the agent doesn't just reply. It updates the record in Salesforce, sends a confirmation email, and triggers the workflow for the technician. Then the fourth part is guardrails, setting the rules. Guardrails are like rules for good behavior. They make sure the agent doesn't do anything risky. Imagine a customer is asking for a refund, but only the manager can approve refunds. In this case, instead of issuing the refund itself, the agent will reply, I will connect you to the manager. And the fifth building part is channel. Channel is where the agent sits. Your agent can live everywhere your customers are. Your website, inside Salesforce, WhatsApp, Facebook, even your mobile app. Imagine if the customer sends a message to change the delivery date via WhatsApp, the agent will still be able to respond. Now that we understand what are agents and what are their building paths, let's understand how they are different from chatbots. Unlike a chatbot, an agent doesn't just execute pre-programmed instructions. It has the ability to figure out a plan, to achieve the goal that you have assigned to them, and execute it autonomously without requiring constant supervision. Think of it like this. A chatbot is like a recipe book. It follows a fixed recipe. But an Agentforce agent is like Master Chef. It understands what you want, looks for the right ingredients, and creates the best dish on the fly. Usually, a chatbot only reacts to keywords. If you say reschedule, it triggers a pre-programmed response. If you say something slightly different, that I need to push my delivery date, it gets confused. But an Agentforce agent will reason. It doesn't just look for keywords, it understands the intent, figures out the next step, and execute that step without supervision. In this case, which is updating the delivery date. Now, you might be wondering how an Agentforce agent is able to think and act on its own. Well, that's because of Atlas Reasoning Engine. Atlas Reasoning Engine is like the brain behind Agentforce. It makes the Agentforce agents smart, flexible, and capable of acting on their own. Unlike the traditional chatbot that follow fixed scripts, Atlas Reasoning Engine helps the agent to understand the task, reason using Salesforce data, and then perform an action like updating a record, trigger a workflow, or sending a confirmation email. In short, Atlas Reasoning Engine is what transforms Agentforce from a chatbot into a truly AI-powered agent. Let's take an example. If the customer says, I need my fridge installed next Saturday, the agent doesn't just promptly respond. First, it checks the delivery date. Then it confirms that fridge will arrive before Saturday. Then it finds an available technician and then books the installation without requiring any human intervention. It doesn't just guess, it reasons using the Salesforce data and then act on it following the rules. Now, next part is Agentforce Studio. Agentforce Studio is like a playground where you can customize your agents. It has three parts: prompt builder, model builder, and an agent builder. Prompt builder is where you teach your agents how to talk. You create templates for conversations, and every answer is personalized and grounded in Salesforce data. As an example, there could be a prompt to say, always greet customers by their first name and confirm their order details before start answering. Second part is model builder. This is where you decide how smart your agent will be. You can either use Salesforce's pre-trained models, train your own model using a company's data, or plug into your own favorite AI model. Say your company has a custom recommendation model that suggests the best fridge based on the customer's home size and budget. With the help of Model Builder, you can bring the best model and make your agent an expert product advisor. And third part is Agent Builder. This is the place where you create, design, and customize your AI agents from scratch. You can connect them with automation APIs, you can make them use custom code, or make them initiate workflows based on your business needs. For example, remember Delivery Day? Its job is to help customers schedule deliveries, track them, or reschedule if they want to change it. And in the end, also trigger a workflow to be able to send confirmation emails. Now, let's understand topics. Topics are like rule books for agents. It's a rule book where the agent gets step-by-step instructions. Something like this. Always ask for the customer's email. Make sure the installation date is after the delivery date. If there's a pricing related question, escalate it to a human. With a normal chatbot, you'd have to write hundreds of if-else statements to execute this. But with Agentforce, you write simple instructions and the agent will follow those. Once the rules are set, the agent needs to take an action. It can run a flow in Salesforce for sending an email or updating a record, or execute code for more complex tasks. Example, if the customer says, I need my warranty extended, the agent will run the flow, check the eligibility, updates the warranty, and it will send a confirmation email. All done without human intervention. And that's Agentforce 101. Like I said, this was the first of the many video series that I'm going to create on Agentforce. So stay tuned for more videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI updates. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.